Write down one what is what? What is what? What is what is what is what is what? What is unit per unit per? What is a unit per? What is a unit what is a unit per? What is a unit per unit time? Per unit time. Unit time. That is joule per second. What is work is what is a unit per unit time? Joule is a work. Joule is equal to work by joule unit time is equal to second. Joule per second. How can you write? Power is equal to W by T. W and joule and second is equal to time. W by T. That is power. That is equal to power. Another, what is power formulas? What is power formulas? Power is equal to, already I have told 3 formulas. W by T is equal to I square by I square R is equal to T square by R. You will have to use in this 3 formulas. Then only you will get this problem. What is here? What is the formula which is suitable for here? Voltage and what is given here? Voltage and what is given here? Then now P is equal to power is equal to V square. How much? V square is equal to 240 into 240 by R. Then power is given here or not? How much power is given? 60 watts is given here. Therefore 60 watts is equal to 240 into 240 by R. For exchange the R, you can get to 240 into 240 volts into 240 volts by 60. How much has come?
64.
How much is come? Tell me. Multiply it and tell. Multiply and tell. What is the answer? What is the answer?
9,600 ohms.
9,600 ohms. 600 ohms is the answer. That is resistance. That is the resistance. This is the
9,600.
90,000 I have written. 9,600 ohms.
Sir, answer up.
Right, but 2 and tell me your answer. What is the correct answer?
240 and 24 కాదు.
240 into 240.
240 కదా.
అంటే 0 cancel అయింది కదా by 6.
అయితే ఓకే.
240 into 24 by 60 is the correct answer. What is that? Ideal connected in series. Find current also. What is current? You find it. Current, now current find. You got to, voltage and resistance also What is the formula now we use? Positive. What is the formula? Here we got to, R got to. We got to, R got to, we have got to, V and here what is the question given? Listen it. If identical bulbs are connected in series. Series means don't have 2 bulbs are given here. But no notation is given for 1 bulb only. 1 bulb only means identical bulbs are given. Identical and means same. That's why this is also 960 ohms. 916 plus 960, how much? 1920 ohms. 1920 ohms, that is 1920 ohms. 1920 ohms. Here the battery is given at 240 volts. What is Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to I by R. Then if you take I is equal to V by R. 240 by 90 ohms is equal to 0.125 amps. That is the unit of current. And again we have been asked power also asked. Whether do power also asked. Do power now do power.